Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zafendi bin Muhammad Azli. So today I want to present for introduction. Electrical engineer will often encounter some ethical issues. Their abilities with professional skill have include ethical decision and moral values. As an electrical engineer, electrical engineers should responsibility follow the codes of ethics. Each project must meet the set of standards.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Faik Kram Azaman bin Fakir Azaman. My matrix number is 1910911012. So about our case study, I will explain about the problem statement and some discussion about it. So let's talk about our problem statement. What is a substation building? So basically, substation building consists of high voltage electrical equipment like transformer, switchgear, circuit breaker, and associated device. Transformer is to step down the high voltage of electricity coming in onto the transmission line to a much lower voltage suitable to send out on distribution wire. Substation is a facility house equipment that switch, transform, and convert high voltage electricity from a generating station into a lower voltage that are easier and safer to distribute to home, shop, small business, and other consumer. So around the substation, there will be another building around it. So what action before damage to the building adjacent to the station? High voltage, which is present where electrical outlets are installed, poses a direct threat to both maintenance staff and pedestrians who disobey the law. A list of tasks that are prohibited to be performed in safety zone is provided to reduce accident and violation of electricity transformation channel. Any voltage is prohibited in the power line safety zone. Firstly, building or structure construction, substation repair or demolition. Second, due to the risk of accidental ignition or fire, installing gas line and lubricant storage facility. It is also illegal to discharge used fuel and lubricant from neighboring storage space into power transmission safety zone. Construct a gas station and use explosive or flammable item in your business. Fire is also prohibited. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Uzali from RK23. So I would like to present about our case study 5. So my part is about the resident engineer must seek to serve the public interest at all time. So the first point for my case, engineer are used to get involved in public affair, provide career advice to young people, and seek to improve their community safety, health, and well-being. So for the second point, engineer are prohibited from completing signal or ceiling design and specification that do not meet applicable engineer standard. If the customer or employee persists in engaging in such unprofessional behavior, they must alert the provided authorities and case working on the project. And the third point, engineer I urged to increase public awareness of engineering and its accomplishment. Okay, the last one is engineer are being pushed to raise public knowledge about engineer and its achievement. Also, engineers should maintain current in their specialty domain by engaging in professional practice, participating in continuing education course, reading technical literature, and attending professional meeting and seminar through their careers. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Kamal bin Abu Ghali. My matrix number is 1910911059. My title is case study 5, and I would like to present about flowchart. So flowcharting, it gives a visual picture of a situation and allows to readily see the consequences that flow from each decision. Then the key to effective use of flowchart for solving ethical problem is to be creative and determining possible outcome and scenario, and also do not be shy about getting a negative answer and deciding to stop the project. So substation building is already inspection. If no, we go ahead and inspection on substation building. But if already inspection, what are other safety operating? Maybe have something wrong with transformers, switching, protection, and control equipment. Then if no safety system operating, we should defer maintenance. Otherwise, if cause an accident to our technician for doing job. Then if is yes, will this or the system adequately prevent accident? If not adequate, we must defer maintenance or delay the maintenance. And then yes, we perform that maintenance. That's all for me. Thank you.
So hello, my name is Muhammad Azrai Shah, and I will talk about the conclusion of this project. So as a conclusion, engineer is an important job that needed to help change the world toward a better future. Calculation must be precise so that the safety of people will not be affected. Secondly, by that reason, there are many steps that needed to complete a project, like in the discussion above. The objectives also need to be achieved to make sure everything goes smoothly. An engineer needs to be responsible, good leadership, and honest when working so that safety is assured. A bad engineer would endanger the safety of the public and would slowing our technology growth. If this program can be implemented, decrease in risk and safer environment can be seen for us all. That's all.